Okay, David here. This is going to be another awesome video of me drawing something cool. This time it's a dagger. I'm using the Micron 8 India ink pen, made in Japan. I'm going to start with this kind of the center of the knife. I'm just going to do like a little circle. Try to make it as perfect as you can. Really clean, crisp lines. This is going to be the start of the handle. Some little wigglies there, put lines inside the parts that dip in. Then this part right here is going to be really awesome. You're not going to even believe it. This is the actual handle. What am I doing? This part, and kind of like a little crown, kind of, sort of. And then some little, this looks like a little ice cream cone or something up here. Some little bubbles coming up. It's very, very delicious. Okay, then part of the blade starts right here. Pete, what's happening with your sister? Okay, right here. Do a V right here where the blade starts. Do like a little slit where it goes in like someone's skin. It's like ripping in or something. You can always put some words there, what have you. It's kind of like a make sure these lines match up when you come up. Like that's just a hair off right there. And then this is the other part of the skin. You can put like something like, I don't know, love. Or whatever, it doesn't really matter. It's not important. Okay, and then the part where the, this part right here, you do another upside down V, just like up here, and then you connect them with a line. You can always shade part, you know, half of it or whatever. If you want to have like a little blood dripping off, something like this. Very traditional. That's pretty much it, and then you can, you know, add little designs or whatever you want to it. And that's it. That's a knife. India ink pen. It's David. Subscribe and comment, like if you want.